Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just go ahead and open up any browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Brave. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to the URL box. Now type down whatsapp.com/contact. Okay, again, whatsapp.com/contact. Tap on it or just hit on find. Now once you're in here, tap on contact us. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, scroll down and it says here it needs a phone number. But don't worry if you don't have access to your phone number. It'll be alright. Just make sure that you remember it. Okay? Select the country code from here, enter the number, and add in your email address where WhatsApp support will get back to you. Okay, and confirm that email address right here. Now it says here, how do you use WhatsApp? It could be you're using a WhatsApp account on Android, iPhone, web, or iOS or other. Okay, and after that, just go ahead and enter as many details as you can. Just let WhatsApp support know that you've lost access to your old SIM. Okay. Hi, I would like to recover my old WhatsApp account. The phone number was ZZZZZ, just like so. The email that is tied to that account is like this. And if you want to, I can provide as many details as you can. Just let me know. Just like that. Yeah, once that's done, just hit on next step right here and hit on submit. Okay. Now, the other option, if you want to, you could go ahead and try this one. Okay. You can just go ahead and ask your carrier to reactivate your phone number. Okay. Or you could go ahead and get a replacement SIM card for your old number from your mobile service provider. All right. And once that's done, you could go ahead and install WhatsApp again. And then after that, WhatsApp will send you an SMS or call to your number and just go ahead and use that, of course, and you'll be logged back in. That's basically it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.